Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to create reading list on Webnovel. By creating reading list on Webnovel, you'll be able to create a group of stories or the collection of stories that you can view. To create reading list on Webnovel, first open your Webnovel application on your mobile phone. Then here you can see some of the recommendation from Webnovel. You can explore some of the recommended stories from here. Now here, tap on compass icon on top right. Then it will take you to featured section. Here you can see some of the stories that has been ranked. You can explore some of the stories from here as well. Now to create your reading list, tap on library option on down left corner. Then here it will take you to reading section. Now tap on reading list option on the top. Then here you can see some of the reading lists that I have created. To create your new reading list, tap on new list option. Then here you need to first name your reading list. Tap on list name box. Then enter the name for your reading list. It will be shown on the reading list section. After this, you need to enter the list description. This will be the description about what kind of novels that you have added or anything that you want so that it will describe your reading list. Then here you can also set thumbnail, that will be the photo that will be showed on the reading list. You can tap on plus sign and then here you can see you can choose photo from your gallery or take a picture. I am going to take a picture. So tap on take a picture option. Then here you need to allow Webnovel to take pictures and record video. After this, now click the photo, then tap on the tick mark. With this, your thumbnail for your reading list will be added. Now here you can see you have the option to make your reading list public or private. If you want to keep your reading list private, then tap on the toggle button. Then it will help you to make your reading list private. I am going to make my reading list public. Then tap on create option, which is white button on the top right corner. With this, your reading list will be created. Now here you can tap on library on down left corner. Then tap on reading list option. Then here you can see the reading list that I have just created, which is Login Aid. Tap on the reading list that you have just created. Now here you can add new book on your reading list. To do that, tap on add new book option. Then here you can tap on the plus sign near the book recommendations, or you can also search for stories. To do that, tap on the search bar on the top and enter the name of the book that you want to add. With this, tap on the plus sign near the book name. With this, your book will be added to your reading list. As you can see here, my book has been added to my reading list. This is how we can create reading list on Webnovel. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.